color.
Okay, this is the attack of the cats. It's a black one right there. This little white one over here, and we just saw a third one at Tiara's house. Can you see it? It's right there. They're attacking us, and we tried to run away. And I picked it up, and the other one ran away, and that one's following us. We're gonna die!
What time is it? Time of death? Just kidding.
What is our time of death? Like, look at that fucking thing. Like, it's just like, what the hell? Ah, look at it. What'd you wish for?
You do not be my friend anymore. Just kidding. Just wait. It's another planet.
It's Horton Hears a Who. Gonna bite your nose. She's crazy.